So today I'm going to show you my 8th grade new books and copies. And today also I got my report card. So first one is English course book, and here is the contents. And the cost is 488 rupees, and it is the Ferns book. Next one is science textbook. It's of NCERT only, and this book is not given by our school. We had bought it from bookstore. Our teacher had told to buy. And as you all know, we all have rationalized, means revised new edition NCERT this year. So new edition NCERT book of 13 chapters. Earlier it was 18 chapter. Next one is our language subject storybook, and it is of grammar of that. And next one is moral science book, and the name of the book is Roots, and the cost is 290. And here are the contents. And everyone, please tell me personally who loves the smell of new books and copies. I love it. Next one is GK book, and the name of the book is GK World book. And these all are the GK questions, and we also got answers in the back side of the page. And the cost is 340. Next one is mathematics NCERT textbook, and this one also we bought from outside bookstore. This one is not given by our school. Our teacher had told to buy NCERT math and science, and also it's a new edition, 13 chapters. Next one is computer book, and cyber touch, and we got total 10 chapters. And this one is again a math book, but this one is given by our school. This is NCERT Sharp Mind companion book. Next is again a science book, but this was given by our school. Again science NCERT Sharp Mind companion book. So this year we have two books from math and science. One we bought from bookstore outside, and other two given from our school. And baki other subject we all got from school. Next one is Hindi grammar book, Gulmohar. Next one is English grammar book, Perseverance. Next one is English literature reader book. This one is so small, so cute. And the cost is 210. No, 215. Next one is social science book, where we have SST, history and geography. Next one is Hindi MCB book, means story book, Valerie, Hindi Pathmala. And the last one is map practice book of geography and history. So art drawing book and our school diary we will get after the school will reopen after vacation. And next, these all are the copies. You can see the copies of the subject, and this one is the cover. These all are about books and copies. And guys, please do know me in the comment that you have got your new books and copies or not, and it is of NCERT or which publisher, and your vacation is going or not. Please all tell me. And report card, my percentage is 82%, and in annual my percentage is 77. So this is all about my report card, and I got the remark as very good. So this much all about my today video. So bye bye, take care, have a wonderful day.